Welcome back friends. In this video we are going to show you how to convert .mkv format files into mp4 format. So by default OBS Studio records the video in .mkv file, and let's say for any of the reason we need to convert that file into mp4 format. So I will show you the steps need to take in order to convert the file. So I am in the OBS Studio right now, and I will show you the recording which I want to convert, and I will click on file and click on show recordings. As you can see that I have a file in mkv format, and this is the file I need to convert to mp4 format. So I will close the window and again go to the file and click on the button called remux recordings. I will click on this button and I will go to here, click here and click on this three dots button, and then click on the video which I want to convert, and you can double click on it or select this video and click on open. It will do the same thing, and all I need to do is click on this button which is called remux. It will convert the video from mkv format to mp4 format. I will click on OK and click on close, and if we again go to show recordings, as you can see that it has converted the video in mp4 format. I hope this video has been informative for you. If you have not subscribed to our channel, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon to receive the notification for upcoming videos. See you in the next video.